Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have something a little special to share with you today. I just treated myself to these gorgeous new black pattern tights, and I couldn't wait to show them off. I really wanted to find something unique to surprise you all with, and when I saw this bold, geometric design, I knew they were the ones. They have such a beautiful texture, don't they? I love how the pattern plays with the light. They feel so elegant, yet they add that perfect touch of edge to any look. I've paired them with my favorite black stilettos today. I think the combination is just so classic and sophisticated. It's all about those little details that make you feel confident and stylish. I really hope you enjoy this look as much as I do. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for being here and for all your amazing support. Stay tuned for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.